Hey there guys, and this is your ABD from Tech Tweak Team, and so today we'll be doing the unboxing of the Sony mobile projector, which I got from Amazon. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is it. Welcome to the unboxing video. I received it today, and so I thought that why should I not make an unboxing video of this great thing which I got. So let's get into it. Alright, on the side you see that the specification of the projector here. So it has some great little features, all great specifications, like it is HD, has very decent size resolution because it's high definition, of course. And so yeah, on the back side you see all the details of the projector here. You can see the resolution is 1920 to 720 HD resolution. Supports smartphones, tablet, PCs, game, and iPhones, iPad, and other accessories. Also supports Bluetooth, speakers, and headphone. So you can see there. That's it. It has a 3400 milliamp hour battery, which is not that good, but it is powerful enough to run this thing for around 2 hours. So on the side we just get the details of what HDMI and Bluetooth means and stuff like that, and also different languages. Yes, that's it. So on the other two sides, that is the top and the bottom, we did with nothing, I suppose. Let's take a look. Alright, so on the bottom we see some stuff that are written in some foreign language, and on the top we get nothing but some barcodes, and yeah, that's pretty much it of the outer box. And now let's hop inside what we get. And yes, alright, so now I'm on this one, and yeah, let's try to open this box up. Here we have a small tab in, and just slide it out. Okay, and here we got we see a black box here. All right, let's try to pull it out. And okay, this is a just straightforward black box. Okay, this is opposite. All right, so it says Sony, and it is a really good high quality black cardboard box. So let's open this thing up and let's hop in what we have inside. Yes, there we have a leather pouch. Okay, the thing is inside, the projector is inside. So let's take a look at this thing. So yes, it feels really good. The quality of the leather is really high quality. So we'll get into it. So let's see what we have inside the box here. So we have the pull tab here. Okay, so inside which we get a stand here for the portable projector. So let's try to take it out from this plastic bag. All right, so here we have this thing here, and it is made of a plastic, not fancy like metal or something like that, and it feels really good. It's really sturdy and like, yeah. And here we have the USB cable. So this is nothing special. It's a micro USB port, not like other proprietary connectors. All right, so that's good. Not USB type C though, but it got the job done. And lastly we have the instruction manual, which is very thick. I think there are different languages, and yeah, there are some various languages. So that's it. Yep, mobile projector it says. So that's pretty much it what we get, and we get nothing inside. It's just a blank box. So let's skip everything inside and let's take a look at the big item that we have just got here. So yeah, this is it. All right, so this is the pouch itself, which holds the projector, and let's try to slide it out. And so this is it. All right, it feels very good, a really high quality material. So all right, it says Sony. So the middle part is made up of metal, and there are two LED indicator lights on the top, and it feels very good. It is not that much heavy. And you can see the vent here, the fan, small fan. There's a small fan to keep the projector cool. You see some rubber pads on the bottom, and on the top you get some yellow sticker and also some warning stickers, as it's leather. So, and you can see a lot of ports. We get the USB-A out, a headphone jack, and full-size HDMI port, the enter plus minus button, the power button, and the charging port. And also there's a hole for tying up some intangible things like a hand rope or something. And so here it is, and it feels very, very good. It's not that much heavy either, so yeah, portability is very good, and also the carrying pouch is of good quality. So on the top here, here the lens does stay, but there it is protected by some this yellow sticker, which I have to peel it, but I'll just take a look at it later. So for this video, I'm just doing the unboxing. So yeah guys, so that's pretty much it guys. If you're really interested in buying this thing up, you can just go ahead freely and just hit the link in the description to buy this great projector. It's a portable projector, and it has some great little features, as you can see. And so if you really want the review, do subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for that. Do like the video, do comment, do subscribe, and have a great day. Alright, so yeah, this is ABD signing out from Tech Tweak. Have a great day. Bye bye.